Alright, it's all done. I've had it running on its cycle with your Arcadian Marvis thermostat hooked up. Actually runs pretty good. It's exactly how he had it set up, because there's not really much to adjust other than the underneath the with the was it the micro switch, heat temperature switch. It's the only thing you can adjust for how long it takes to cool and or to consider itself at full operating temperature. It should fire up here any second. It's the only thing I'm waiting on, because it'll run for, I don't know, 45 seconds, and it'll shut off for 45 seconds, and it'll run for 45 seconds. And that's based off of the, yep, there it goes, just kicked in. Just based off of the thermal switch that he has in there. But it's all done, ready to come back to you. It gets up to about, I don't know, what is it, 100 something? 120? I don't think it's 120. Might be. Alright, there you go. It's like watching paint dry.